Hello, everybody. The topics we cover this week are dedicated to Python strings. You have seen the strings already enclosed in double or single quotes. So today we discuss this type of data in Python. And before we look at some code examples, I want to mention that once created, a string is immutable in Python. So this means that it's easy to imagine that strings reside in a read-only memory where your code may only get the information, but no updates or changes to existing strings are allowed. So at the same time, however, the strings can be added to memory at any time. In fact, if you need to change an existing string, this is exactly what happens. An updated string is created as a new string, and the old string can then be deleted from memory automatically by garbage collection, like string that is no longer used. It may no longer need to be stored in memory, so the memory can be freed for future use. To begin with, lots of technical info, but this is really important to know that Python strings are immutable. By the way, this is exactly the same approach as in other popular programming languages, for example, that includes C, C++, and Java. Same approach. The strings, double quoted strings typically in the syntax, is treated as a read-only immutable occupying read-only memory, and it makes the string processing quite fast on one hand, and also makes string processing safe in multi-threaded environment when parallel processes are occurring in the same program at the same time. So let me now share my screen. Okay, and you can see that I'm starting my work today in a new folder named week 4. This is my entire path to this folder, the same location, just new folder for the topics this week. And the first demo program, which I would like to try in IDLE, is string concatenation.py right here. So I have this work integrated with my Windows File Explorer. So for me, it's easy to right click on the file and edit with IDLE. So that's what I'm clicking on. All right. So the first time it kind of loads. I rebooted my laptop, so it takes a little bit longer time to get started. The next time you click on a program, try to open it in IDLE, it runs a little bit faster than this. So let me resize it so I can share it with you easier, and I'll minimize this window now. And so this is the first example that I'd like to try today.